Allison, you're not pro.
I was not pro.
You're rough. Lots of stamina to do this.
An idea, but no ingredients. Some ingredients, but no idea. Try McCormick recipes.
It's just so much. It's right here.
Delicious recipes
Oh,
that include the pre-measured spices. McCormick
Hands all
recipe
sweaty.
inspiration. Live deliciously. Any hair shines in the spotlight. Aveeno hair shines in real life. New Aveeno Nourish Plus Shine with Active Naturals Weave smooths damaged cuticles for 75% more shine in one use. Real shine for real life. New Aveeno Nourish Plus Shine. What really goes into your kids' fruit juice?
They'll come up. You gotta use
Juicy juice counts as 1.5 servings of fruit. Unlike some juice drink pouches.
Dang it, it's just a black.
This is juicy juice. The very best juice.
Allison, there's one right there. There's one right there.
Where?
Over there. It flew over there.
Oh, I see it. I lost it. Oh, I see it.
Do you?
Come here, little bastard.
He's right there. He's right there. Right on the couch.
Where?
Right there. Oh, I made him move. Sorry.
I lost him.
He just landed on the couch. He's right there. Right there. Right there.
Oh, I see. He blends in.
You missed. He flew over there. He's over there. He's over there. He's right there. He's right in front. He went over there.
I can't hit him out of the air.
About tackles and touchdowns and watching my boys do what they do. But for me, it's even more than that. Game time is about our time together. Get low prices on all your favorites for the game. Save money and live better. Walmart. Yoplait real fruit and the goodness of dairy gives you a little slice of happy, and happiness comes in 25 delicious flavors. Yoplait is so good.
Ladies and gentlemen, start your avatars. VH1 Front Row, only on Dish Network, presents Linkin Park and Alice in Chains at London Science Fair Festival, exclusively for Dish Network customers. Premieres Monday, September 13th at 8.
Flies.
Catch Linkin Park and Alice in Chains again Mondays, Wednesdays.
You missed. Yes, you did. I saw him fly away.
Oh, I smacked him.
He's right there. He's right there on the footstool. Right there.
Let me see it.
Right there. On the little part.
Dang it.
Oh, God damn it. Right there. You missed. He flew over there.
In the city where Romeo met Juliet, Sophie found a letter lost in time.
Wait, one flew by my face.